Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make custard. Custard is a sweet sauce that can be served with any dessert. I will be serving it with a traditional South African malva pudding. I will link my malva pudding video down in the description. This is a special kind of custard recipe because it is sweetened with condensed milk. It is a really delicious recipe that you should try at home. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 1 liter milk, 1 can of condensed milk and 60 ml of custard powder. Heat 800 ml of milk. While the milk is heating, add the custard powder into the remaining 200 ml of milk. The thicker you want your custard, the more custard powder you add. Add some of the hot milk into the custard mixture and mix to prevent lumps. Add it into the hot milk while stirring. When thoroughly mixed and thickened, add into the condensed milk. Keep on stirring until it has a smooth consistency. If the condensed milk is stirred in, the custard is ready. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.